Bakit nga ba ako nandito? Nandito nga pala ako to see, to learn, to know, and to show what inside in General Malbar's museum. The Museo ni Miguel Malbar is founded in 1956 by Miguel Malbar Jr., the general's son and former mayor. The Museo ni Miguel Malbar is situated in Poblacion 1, Santo Tomas, Batangas, in front of the City Hall. It was built in honor of one of the known Filipino revolutionary generals, General Miguel Malbar. The Batangueño hero hailed from humble beginnings, from being a simple farmer to a great military commander who, at one time, became the second highest in command in the Philippine Revolutionary Army. He, however, chose a simple livelihood after he laid down
mga sagot sa hamon ng kasalukuyan.
Susuko ako dahil may sakit na lahat. Ang mga mahal ko, ang dami ng dinaan ng paghihirap.
I realized engaging in local art mapping was an eye-opening journey that deepened my understanding of my community's cultural identity. What began as a project aimed at documenting murals, sculptures, galleries, quickly transformed into a meaningful exploration of the hidden history and expressions that shape the fabric of everyday life. Through this process, I developed not only a deeper appreciation for local artists, but also a renewed sense of connection to my environment.